Industrial interior design has surged in popularity, becoming a staple in contemporary homes and commercial spaces alike. This design style, characterized by its raw, unfinished aesthetic and utilitarian approach, draws inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces. With its emphasis on exposed materials, open spaces, and a mix of modern and vintage elements, industrial design creates a unique environment that is both functional and visually striking. The origins of industrial interior design can be traced back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries when factories and warehouses dominated urban landscapes. As cities grew and industries evolved, many of these structures were abandoned or repurposed. Artists and designers saw potential in these vast, open spaces, transforming them into lofts, studios, and living spaces. The high ceilings, large windows, and exposed structural elements provided a blank canvas for creativity, giving birth to the industrial style we know today. One of the defining features of industrial interior design is the use of raw and unfinished materials. Exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and visible ductwork are common sights in industrial spaces. These elements, once considered imperfections, are now celebrated for their authenticity and rugged charm. The emphasis on natural and reclaimed materials not only adds character but also promotes sustainability. Metal and wood are the primary materials used in industrial design. Metal, often in the form of steel or iron, is used for structural elements, furniture, and fixtures. Its sleek, cold appearance contrasts beautifully with the warmth of wood, which is used for flooring, cabinetry, and decorative accents. The combination of these materials creates a balanced and cohesive look that is both sturdy and inviting. Another hallmark of industrial interior design is the open floor plan. This design approach minimizes walls and partitions, creating a sense of spaciousness and fluidity. The open layout allows for flexible use of space, making it ideal for both residential and commercial settings. It encourages social interaction and provides ample room for creativity and customization. Minimalism is also a key aspect of industrial design. The focus is on functionality and simplicity, with a preference for clean lines and uncluttered spaces. Furniture and decor are kept to a minimum, allowing the architectural elements and raw materials to take center stage. This minimalist approach not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes a sense of calm and order. Lighting plays a crucial role in industrial interior design. Large windows and skylights are used to maximize natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Artificial lighting, such as pendant lights, floor lamps, and sconces, often features metal fixtures with an industrial flair. Edison bulbs, with their warm, amber glow, are a popular choice, adding a touch of vintage charm. The color palette in industrial design is typically neutral and muted. Shades of gray, black, white, and brown dominate, with occasional pops of color introduced through artwork, textiles, or plants. This restrained color scheme enhances the raw beauty of the materials and creates a cohesive and harmonious look. Furniture in industrial interior design is characterized by its simplicity and durability. Pieces often have a utilitarian feel, with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. Leather sofas, metal chairs, and wooden tables are common choices, reflecting the blend of industrial and rustic elements. Vintage or repurposed furniture adds a sense of history and uniqueness to the space. Decorative elements are kept to a minimum, with a focus on functional accessories. Industrial-style shelving, storage units, and lighting fixtures are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Artwork and decorative items often have a vintage or industrial theme, such as old factory signs, metal sculptures, or black and white photography. The beauty of industrial interior design lies in its ability to transform raw, utilitarian spaces into warm and inviting environments. It seamlessly blends old and new, creating a timeless aesthetic that is both edgy and sophisticated. Whether used in a modern loft, a cozy home, or a trendy restaurant, industrial design offers endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression. By embracing the imperfections and celebrating the raw materials, industrial interior design creates spaces that are not only visually stunning but also rich in character and history. It is a style that tells a story, evoking a sense of nostalgia while remaining firmly rooted in the present. As the popularity of industrial design continues to grow, it is clear that this timeless style will remain a favorite among designers and homeowners for years to come. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, the industrial style stands out for its unique blend of raw aesthetics and modern comfort. It offers a refreshing departure from traditional design, celebrating the beauty of imperfection and the charm of reclaimed materials. Whether you are looking to transform a loft, a commercial space, or your own home, industrial interior design provides a versatile and enduring solution that combines functionality with artistic expression. Embrace the industrial aesthetic and discover the endless possibilities it holds for creating spaces that are both stunning and inviting.